Hello children, today let's start the next chapter, fractions. Before that, let me ask you a question. Look here, you can see two children, Pinky and Johnny. They have only one apple with them, but both of them are hungry. Now, what will they do? Yes, they will divide this apple into two equal parts. Pinky will take one half of the apple and Johnny will take the other half of the apple. Now look here children, half, that is 1 by 2. It is a fraction. So what is a fraction? A fraction is a part of a whole divided into equal parts. This is one whole circle. One whole. A circle is divided into two equal parts. The colored part is 1 by 2. A circle is divided into 4 equal parts and 1 by 4 of the circle is colored. The circle is divided into 4 equal parts. 2 parts are colored, so the fraction is 2 by 4. The circle has 4 equal parts. 3 parts are colored. Fraction of the colored part 3 by 4. The circle has 4 equal parts. All the 4 parts are colored. So the fraction is 4 by 4, which is the whole circle. 4 by 4 equals 1. Equivalent fractions. Children, look here, you can see two cakes of same shape and size. The first cake is cut into 4 equal parts and the second cake is cut into 8 equal parts. Now you can see 2 by 4 of the first cake and 4 by 8 of the second cake. Children, are these fractions equivalent 2 by 4 and 4 by 8? Is the quantity of the first cake equal to the second cake? Yes. So 2 by 4 and 4 by 8 are also equivalent. They are equivalent fractions. Let us look another example for equivalent fractions. 1 by 4, 2 by 8, 3 by 12, 4 by 16. Children, now look the colored part of each circle. Are they equal? Yes. So the fractions 1 by 4, 2 by 8, 3 by 12 and 4 by 16 are equivalent fractions. They have the same value. 1 by 4 is equal to 2 by 8 is equal to 3 by 12 is equal to 4 by 16. Next, some questions. Write any 3 equivalent fractions for each of the following. First, 2 by 5. To find the equivalent fractions for a given fraction, we have to multiply the numerator and the denominator with same numbers. Let us write 3 equivalent fractions for 2 by 5. First, 2 by 5 into 2 by 2. 2 into 2, 4. 5 into 2, 10. 4 by 10. Again, 2 by 5 into 3 by 3. 2 into 3, 6. 5 into 3, 15. 6 by 15. Again, 2 by 5 into 4 by 4. 2 into 4, 8. 5 into 4, 20. So we got 3 equivalent fractions. 4 by 10, 6 by 15 and 8 by 20. 2 by 5 is equal to 4 by 10 is equal to 6 by 15 is equal to 8 by 20. Next question, 3 by 8. 3 by 8 into 2 by 2. 3 into 2, 6. 8 into 2, 16. 6 by 16. 3 by 8 into 3 by 3. 3 into 3, 9. 8 into 3, 24. 9 by 24. Again 3 by 8 into 4 by 4. 3 into 4, 12. 8 into 4, 32. So we got 3 equivalent fractions for 3 by 8. 3 by 8 is equal to 6 by 16 is equal to 9 by 24 is equal to 12 by 32. Fill in the missing numbers. 3 by 5 is equal to dash by 20. Here 20 is greater than 5. So 5 multiplied by which number is 20? 5 into 4. Multiply the same number with 3 also. 3 into 4. 3 into 4, 12. 12 by 20. 7 by 10 is equal to 14 by dash. 7 multiplied by which number is 14? 7 into 2. 14 multiply the same number with 10. 10 into 2, 20. 14 by 20. 2 by 7 is equal to dash by 21. 7 into which number? 7 into 3, 21. So multiplied with 2 also. 2 into 3, 6. 6 by 21. 9 by 11 is equal to 27 by dash. 9 into which number is 27? 9 into 3, 27. 11 into 3, 33. 27 by 33. 6 by 8 is equal to dash by 40. 8 into 5. 5 8's 40. So 6 into 5, 30. 30 by 40. 15 divided by 20 is equal to 3 by dash. Now look here, 3 is less than 15. So 15 divided by a number is 3. Which is that number? 15 divided by 3, which is that? 5. 15 divided by 5 equals 3. So divide the same number. 20 divided by 5, 4. 3 by 4. 24 by 40 equals dash by 10. 40 divided by which number is 10? 40 divided by 4. Again 24 divided by 4. 6. 6 by 10. 18 divided by 36 equals 3 by dash. 18 divided by which number is 3? 18 divided by 6. So 36 divided by 6, 6. 3 by 6. 10 divided by 20 equals 2 by dash. 10 divided by 5 equals 2. 20 divided by 5 equals 4. 2 by 4. Next question. 21 divided by 30 equals dash by 10. 30 divided by which number is 10? 30 divided by 3. So 21 divided by 3 equals 7. 7 by 10. Okay, now look here children. Here you can see some fractions. 6 by 10, 8 by 10, 1 by 10, 4 by 10, 9 by 10. And some fractions are here also. 3 by 11, 5 by 8, 9 by 10, 7 by 18, 3 by 7. Now, is there anything special about these fractions? Look, yes, look the denominator. Yes, they are same. 10, 10, 10. And here 11, 8, 10, 18, 7 different denominators. These fractions have same denominator. We can call these fractions like fractions. Like fractions. And these fractions have different denominators. So we can call them unlike fractions. Like fractions and unlike fractions. So what are like fractions? Fractions that have same denominator are called like fractions. Fractions that have same denominator are called like fractions. What are unlike fractions? Fractions that do not have the same denominator are called unlike fractions. Next, let us study proper fractions. Now look here. Say the fraction 1 by 3. Here the fraction 5 by 8. 11 by 16. 2 by 6. Now look here. 1 by 3, 11 by 16, 2 by 6, 5 by 8. Now which is smaller, numerator or denominator? Yes, numerator is smaller than the denominator. Here also numerator is smaller than the denominator. Numerator is smaller, denominator is greater. Numerator is smaller, denominator is greater. So, fractions in which the numerator is less than the denominator are called proper fractions. Proper fractions. Fractions in which the numerator is less than the denominator are called proper fractions. 1 by 3, 5 by 8, 4 by 11, 7 by 15 are some of the examples. Now let us study improper fractions. See the fraction, children. 4 by 4 plus 3 by 4, and we can add the like fractions. 4 plus 3, 7. 7 by 4. Here 7 is greater than 4. The numerator is greater than the denominator. It is an improper fraction. Let us look one more example. Say the fraction 4 by 4 plus 4 by 4 plus 1 by 4. Now let us add the like fractions. 4 plus 1, 9. 9 by 4. Here also the numerator is greater than the denominator. It is an improper fraction. Fractions in which the numerator is either equal to or greater than the denominator are called improper fractions. Fractions in which the numerator is either equal to or greater than the denominator are called improper fractions. 3 by 2, 3 is greater, 5 by 3, 5 is greater, 11 by 4, 11 is greater, 4 by 4, equal, 1 by 1, numerator and denominator equal. Next, let us study mixed number. A number which contains a whole number part and a fractional part is a mixed number or a mixed fraction. Here is an example. Say the fraction 3 by 3 plus 3 by 3 plus 2 by 3 equals, we can add the like fractions, 3 plus 2, 8. 8 by 3. It is an improper fraction. We can write an improper fraction as a mixed fraction. 3 by 3, 1. Plus again 3 by 3 equals 1. Plus 2 by 3. 1 plus 2 by 3. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 and 2 by 3. 2 and 2 by 3. It is a mixed fraction or a mixed number. 2 is the whole number part and 2 by 3 is the fractional part. So it is a mixed fraction. 8 by 3 is an improper fraction and it can be expressed as a mixed fraction. Next is the question, circle the proper fractions. A fraction in which the numerator is smaller than the denominator is called a proper fraction. 3 by 10, 9 by 15, proper fraction. 4 by 7, proper fraction. Circle the improper fractions. Numerator should be greater than or equal to the denominator. 15 by 8, numerator is greater. 29 by 9, improper fraction. 5 by 5, both are equal. 1 by 3, proper fraction. Circle the mixed fractions. A mixed fraction has a whole number part and a fractional part. 3 and 1 by 2, mixed fraction. 6 and 3 by 4, mixed fraction. Convert into improper fraction. To convert a mixed fraction into an improper fraction, we have to multiply the denominator and the whole number part and add the numerator to the product. The denominator remains the same. 3 and 1 by 4. 3 and 1 by 4 equals 3 into 4. 3 into 4 plus 1. Plus 1 by divided by 4, the denominator. 3 into 4, 12. 12 plus 1, 13. 13 by 4. 3 and 1 by 4 equals 13 by 4. Next, 4 and 2 by 5. 4 and 2 by 5 equals 4 into 5 plus 2 by 5. 4 into 5 in brackets plus 2 by 5. 4 into 5, 20. 20 plus 2, 22. 22 by 5. 22 by 5. Next, 2 and 1 by 6. 2 and 1 by 6 equals 2 into 6 plus 1 by 6. 2 into 6 plus 1 by 6. 2 into 6, 12. 12 plus 1, 13 by 6. 13 by 6. Convert into mixed fractions. An improper fraction is given. We have to convert it into a mixed fraction. To convert an improper fraction into a mixed fraction, first divide the numerator by the denominator. The resultant mixed fraction will have the quotient as the whole number part, the remainder as the numerator, and the divisor as the denominator. Convert into mixed fractions. 16 by 7. 16 divided by 7. 7 2s are 14. Subtract 6 minus 4, 2. 1 minus 1, 0. 16 by 7 equals 2 and 2 by 7. 16 by 7 equals 2 and 2 by 7. Next question, 21 by 6. 21 divided by 6. 6 3s are 18. 21 minus 18, 3. 21 by 6 equals 3 and 3 by 6. 3 and 3 by 6. Add the following. We have like fractions here. It is very easy to add like fractions. 3 by 10 plus 4 by 10. We need to add the numerators. 3 plus 4 by. Then write the denominator. No need to add the denominator. Denominator is 10. We need to write only the denominator 10. 3 plus 4, 7 by 10. Next, 5 by 15 plus 2 by 15 plus 3 by 15. Denominator is 15. We need to add the numerators. 5 plus 2 plus 3. 5 plus 2 plus 3. 5 plus 2, 7. 7 plus 3, 10. 10 by 15. Subtract the following. Again we have like fractions. We need to subtract 10 by 12 minus 3 by 12. Denominator 12. 10 minus 3. 10 minus 3. 10 minus 3, 7 by 12. Next, 8 by 15 minus 3 by 15. Denominator is 15. 8 minus 3. 8 minus 3, 5. 5 by 15.